अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you jute craft ideas. So friends, let's start today video. Viewers, jute crafts ideas. Friends, today we are going to make beautiful and simple jute craft ideas. Jute is a native fiber that is strong, friendly, and perfect for handmade decoration. Jute crafts give an elegant look to your home. One of the best things about jute is that it is affordable and easy to use. Even beginners can create an amazing project with simple tools. Let's start with the material. You will need jute drop or jute fine scissor, hot glue gun or strong craft glue, cardboard, fabric piece, beads, lace or artificial flower for decoration. Now let's explore some easy jute craft ideas. In jute drop flower vase, take an empty bottle or jar, apply glue slowly and wrap jute drop around the bottle from bottom to top. Press gently to the rope. Stick well. You can decorate the vase with lace, pearl or small flower. This simple craft turns waste bottle into a beautiful home decoration. And jute coaster, weavers, cut a round piece of cardboard as a base. Start rolling jute drop in spring shapes and glue it carefully. This coaster paper protect your table and give a natural handmade look. Jute wall hanging, cut a wooden stick or strong cardboard strip. Weavers and attach hanging jute thread of different length. Add beads or crochet flower to make a snow style wall decoration. This looks beautiful in living room or bedroom. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for